ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Bill Guile.
Good evening, everyone. Just a damp, dreary day today. Pockets of drizzle, a little bit of snow trying to mix in, just overall, ugh. And yeah, that's a meteorological term. And it's not going to get much better for the next couple of days. Let's go through the look ahead here. And it's going to stay cloudy with occasional drizzle or some freezing drizzle at night or some snow showers scattered about. That's all going to last right through early Monday. There will be a warming trend as we get into the midweek stretch. And then as we get towards the end of the week, more rain coming our way. Another storm system that'll pass to our west, and once it goes by, we cool down for the weekend back to normal. Now, the winds have been freshening during the course of the day today, and we're still dealing with winds in Providence at 20 miles an hour out of the north, New Bedford 10, getting some gusts occasionally 25 to 35 miles per hour, especially as you get close to the East Coast and onto the Cape, and that's going to hold up throughout the day tomorrow. Temperatures right now, mostly low 30s. We've got some mid-30s along the south coast and out towards Plymouth and onto the Cape. So any areas of times when we've gone through a little bits of snow, it's simply just been melting. It's just temperatures are just too marginal. And road surface temperatures also running in the mid and upper 30s. So everything that's been falling has had a tendency to melt. But that may change just a little bit overnight tonight with any dampness. So you got to watch out for that. But we'll look across the country and there's just no Arctic air breaks coming into the U.S. So we're going to stay just seasonably cold for the next several days. But out on the West Coast, here we go again. Yet another storm system working its way in. And we're going to hear from that on Thursday or Friday. But again, it's going to be mainly rain. But focusing on the East Coast here, this is what we're dealing with for the next 36 hours or so, really. Right into Monday morning, in fact. So waves of low pressure going by on a frontal system. So that just means we'll kind of be right on the outer flank of the precipitation shield. So that's why I'm still indicating pockets of drizzle, maybe some spotty freezing drizzle or a flurry, even though the computer model doesn't show that happening. Models have a difficult time doing that, but using our meteorological analysis, we can put this in there and identify that there is going to be some damp conditions out there, and as a result, the temperatures near freezing. It could get slippery. So watch what happens. We go through the day tomorrow into the afternoon. We stay mainly cloudy. Again, a little bit of drizzle or a flurry around. But into tomorrow night, we should start seeing an area of snow working its way in from the Cape, coming back towards eastern Rhode Island. So that's why I think we do get into a little period of some snowfall for Sunday night into Monday morning, but it clears out Monday afternoon. Tuesday, we start off dry, but here comes another system, just a quick shower for Tuesday night as we start to warm up again. So here's how things look close up when I'm talking about Sunday night. This kind of is going to be our greatest threat for getting into some steadier snows. 7 o'clock in the evening, hovering just around freezing or maybe a little bit above. There'll be some light snow showers around towards the midnight hour. Same story. Notice the steadiest snows are out towards Plymouth County and on towards the Cape. This is where we could see the most accumulating snow occurring. But notice as we go into early Monday morning, some of that's going to back up at us. And with our temperatures around 30 degrees, we're going to have some slippery spots developing, maybe some coatings on the ground as you wake up Monday morning. But notice it does kind of pass on by and head off to the south and east. And then again, we'll be seeing a continuation of the snows out towards the Cape. So potential accumulation, southeastern Mass, that's where things could really get a little problematic. Most of it beyond the grassy surfaces. But otherwise, here in eastern Rhode Island, just some coatings, slippery spots to contend with as we go through Monday morning. Then it dries out a bit for Tuesday. We get up to 44 degrees, shower late. Wednesday looks even milder, and then more rain coming in for Thursday into Friday.